I'm Karila Gilos. I am a theater actress. I'm also an indie cine actress. I'm also a costume designer for theater and events. I'm also a set designer for theater and events. I'm also a graphic designer. And I'm a mother of two. I was born in Quezon City, Philippines. My father is from Leyte. My mother is from Batanes. But I grew up in Manila. We're happy. We're a happy people. We smile. Kahit may baha, may bagyo, wala kang pera, nagugutom ka na, utang ka na lang, ngiti ka pa rin. We make light of all the hardships in life. I like that about Pinoy. Saka I'm with a French person. I live with a French person. And it's remarkable, he made me aware of it na when you encounter Filipinos in the street, they're always smiling. They always smile at you. Ano pala yun? Particular pala yun sa Pilipino. Chismis at saka medyo madrama tayo. Type natin magdrama. Kahit wala namang problema. Part din yun, yung pagdadrama. Tapos, tayo talagang inferiority complex. Marami sa atin. Although nag-change na yan, nasa generation natin. Dati, parang, hindi ko kaya yan. May mga ganon yung, they'll settle for mediocrity because they think they can't achieve something. Yun. I don't like that about Pinoys. As a Filipino, kasi mahal ko talaga tong country na to eh. I don't wanna live anywhere else. So, lahat ng achievements ko as a person, yun ang representation ko of my pagiging Pilipino. Ganon. Ako ang Pilipinang taga-teatro, Pilipinang actress, Pilipinang costume designer, Pilipinang set designer, Pilipinang ina. Ayun, ganon ako. As a Filipino. Malit lang tayo na bansa, but we're making a dent, especially in the movie industry. Like si Love Diaz, si Aureus. Tsaka, I don't care about worldwide recognition. It's just, if your output is competent, that's enough. And I see that in the Philippines. A lot of Filipinos are like that. Tapos, proud din ako pag pupunta ako sa Ifugao na yung mga tao doon square. Kasi my initial idea of Filipinos, Manileños lang yun na nakikita ko. Pero pag pupunta ka sa ibang provinces, may nakikita kang mga values na distinctly Pinoy na matutuwa ka. Kaya, yun, proud ako. Ganda ng bansa natin. Manila, pangit. Pero maganda ang Banawe, maganda ang Palawan, maganda ang Boracay. It's a good tourist destination. Proud of the Philippines. There.